Hi, first grade mathematicians. Yesterday, you guys started learning about how you can use different kinds of instruments to measure objects. And we used colored tiles to measure a whole bunch of different pictures of objects. Today, we're going to be using paper clips, which is a different kind of measuring instrument. And remember, when we measure something, we are using these instruments to see how long or how short something is. So today I wanted to teach you that mathematicians use different instruments like paper clips to measure other objects in their classroom or at home. This gives them an idea about the length of the object, meaning how long or how short it is. Okay, so yesterday we did this. Today we're going to use paper clips. Okay, so over here we have a picture of a notebook and a whole bunch of paper clips I have over here. Remember, when we're using paper clips or colored tiles like we used yesterday, we want to make sure that the objects are lined up and touching each other. With paper clips, instead of having them long ways touching side by side though, we're going to be using the paper clips from one end to the other. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So here's my first paper clip. I'm going to drag it down here and I'm going to start it right at the red line, okay, because that's where the beginning of the notebook starts. And I'm going to drop it right there, okay? And then I'm going to take my next paper clip and I'm going to put it right on the end of the first paper clip that I have. I'm going to keep going and I can count on the way. So I already put 2 paper clips there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's see if this one will fit. 7. It does fit. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paper clips from one end of the notebook to the other end. So in my sentence, I'm going to write the notebook is about, let me get my pen. The notebook is about 7 paper clips long, okay? All right, let's measure something else. You guys can watch me measure this cool iPad. All right, so again, I'm gonna start from, I'm gonna use the paper clips and I'm gonna line them up one end to the other from this red line to this red line because this is the beginning of the iPad and this is the end of the iPad. So here we go. Drag and drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I think I lined them up too close to each other, so let me spread it out a little bit. Better. Oops. Much better. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me keep going. I'm not at that red line yet. It gets tricky to drag and drop. 7, 8, and I think we just about make it here. 9. Okay, so I can see that this iPad is about 9 paper clips long, so I'm going to write that in as my answer. About 9 paper clips long. And if you forget what number you were counting as you were doing it, just remember that you can go back and count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 paper clips. All right, one more example, and then you guys are going to try it off on your own, okay? So we're gonna try to measure Mickey Mouse's head, okay? From one red line to the next. 1, 2, I was counting in my head. Were you guys counting as I was putting the paper clips on? If you didn't, go ahead and count them up now. How many paper clips is Mickey Mouse's head? If you said 6, you're right. I counted 6 paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Mickey Mouse's head is about 6 paper clips long. I'm going to write in the number 6 right there. Okay, mathematicians, it's your turn. So go back to the slides, click on the link for 9.4 independent work, and get started. Just like you did yesterday, but today you're going to use paper clips. Okay? Bye, mathematicians.